So A3, you have here a container holds some ice and some water. How much heat is required to raise the temperature of the mixture to 100 and then boil off 0.1 kilogram of the water? So what we have here, ugly. So we have some water and we have some ice. The mass of the ice is 0.05 kilograms. The mass of the water is 0.1 kilograms. The temperature here is 0 Celsius. And what we want to do is we want to change all of this to 100. And then we want a small bit of it, a little bit of it then to not only become 100 Celsius in temperature, but to go from being a liquid to gas. So if you look at what's happening here, yeah, well, they're both the same temperature, so the only temperature that's possible is 0 for both ice and water at the same time. So if you look at the steps here, firstly you have your ice at 0, it must become water at 0. Yes? And then also your water, which is at 0, must become water at 100. And then finally, some of the water must become steam. So there's 3 things to add together here. So the first one is the ice. So that is M of the ice times L. Then the water, mass of the water, mc delta theta. And then lastly, the mass of the bit that you want to become steam, so ml again. Right, so how much ice do we have? 0.05. Is that right? Yeah. And what's the latent heat for the fusion of water? It's given there as 3.34 times 10 to the 5. Now, what's the mass of the water? Yeah. No, be careful. It's 0.15 now when the ice has melted and become water. And the C is 4200, and the delta theta is 100, and the steam is 0.01, and the L here, if I can squeeze it in, because that's how much they want to boil off in the question. They only want 0.01 of it to become steam. 2.26 times 10 to the 6. So if we hit this in on our calculator, we get the answer. Is that KJ being stupid?
Yeah.
Please, KJ, refrain from being stupid. Thank you. So I get 102300 joules. Or if you want 102.3 kilojoules, or if you want whatever makes you happy, 0.102 megajoules. It doesn't matter, whatever. Let's see what we've got here. 1 1.02 times 10 to the 5. Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
First two steps good, but the third step should it be alone?
Which third step here?
Yeah, should it be alone? Like he asks for only the sum that should be boiled. So why we don't do it alone and apply like the formula of like MWC that the Q, not ML?
I'm not sure what you're asking me. I have to before I can make the steam.
Yeah.
First, the ice has to melt to become water.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
And then the water has to become 100.
Okay.
And only then can I get the steam.
And then only 0.01.
And only 0.01 of this becomes steam. And then you can imagine that the kettle is turned off then. It is in the question, yeah. The 0.01. Is this what you're asking me? We're doing it in 3 parts added together. This one is to melt the ice, okay? This one is to make it 100 Celsius, and then this one is to boil. Yep, okay. Closest? Not yet. Yeah.
On the Moodle, you have the chapter list. Is it complete?
Oh no. No. What's on YouTube is I gave you the syllabus though. That's the chapter list. Yeah.
But it's not like the chapter list. It's with the list. Okay.
The syllabus? That is what we're doing. That would be a big problem if it wasn't what we were doing. What are you asking me though?
Because in the syllabus, it's like, like main heading is a small heading.
Yeah, show me if you got it there.